Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios using that 5 off 25 for Saturday, November 21st. I know I missed a couple of uploads. I told you all I was moving this week. It's actually been pushed off to next week because they're finishing up a huge renovation on this house. And thanks to a hurricane we had last week, it got pushed back a few days, but that's okay. Letting them do their finishing touches. You'll notice this is a different Dollar General in the picture. This is the Dollar General by my new house, which is also a new Dollar General, and it's very clean, which I'm super excited about. A lot of people who penny shop would not be excited about a new Dollar General. I don't really penny shop that much, so I am super excited about this big, clean Dollar General. But I know you guys are not interested in my house or my new Dollar General, so if you want to see what deals we have for this Saturday at Dollar General, just keep watching. Okay, we're going to jump right into our first deal. If you need to know how to use the Dollar General app, if this is your first time going to Dollar General, please see the card above, and I will also put a card at the end of this video. For this first scenario, we're going to pick up one box of the Love's diapers. They're $15 each. We're going to use that $1 off one family pack Love's digital coupon, and we're going to pick up one bag of the Love's diapers. They're $6.50 each. We're going to use that $4 off a $20 Love's purchase digital coupon. Then we're going to buy one Arm & Hammer Power Pack 32 count for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Arm & Hammer Power Pack digital coupon, and we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.45. Enter your telephone number at the keypad. $12 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $13.45. Make sure you check your IBOTTA rebates. There's a $3 off a box of Love's diapers, and there's $1.50 off a bag of Love's diapers. If you have those two rebates in your IBOTTA, you will pay only $8.95 after coupons and rebates. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to do a food scenario. We're going to buy 4 of the Jello strawberry cheesecakes. They're on sale 2 for $3. We're going to use that $2 off $6 Jello no-bake digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 3 of the 6-pack Dr. Pepper bottles. They're on sale 3 for $8. We're going to use the $1 off 3 6-pack Dr. Pepper digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 boxes of General Mills cereal. I'm going to get Cinnamon Toast Crunch. They're on sale 2 for $5. These are the 12-ounce boxes. I'm going to use that $1 off 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. Then I'm going to buy 2 bags of Ruffles potato chips. They're on sale 2 for $5. I'm going to use that $1 off 2 Ruffles chip digital coupon. Then I'm going to buy 2 of the Propel flavored waters. I like the kiwi strawberry. They're 24 ounces. They're $1 each. We're going to use that buy one get one free Propel digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $26 even. We're going to enter our telephone number at the keypad. $11 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $15. And don't forget to scan your receipt to fetch rewards because Ruffles and Propel are participating brands. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code RWOENVT. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, moving along to our next scenario. We're going to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer Power Pack 32 count for $3.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Arm & Hammer Power Pack digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the big Purex Mountain Breeze scented 150 ounce laundry detergent. They're $8 each. We're going to use that buy one get one free Purex detergent digital coupon. We're going to buy 2 of the Febreze Air Effects wax melts or car clips. They're $3 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Febreze product digital coupon, and we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will be $25.95. We're going to enter our telephone number at the keypad. $18 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.95. Be sure and scan that receipt to IBOTTA because there is a 50-cent rebate on the Purex. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up 2 of the Love Beauty Planet shampoo or conditioners. You can mix and match. They're $5 each. We're going to use the $3 off one Love Beauty Planet digital coupon. We're also going to use that $2.50 off one Love Beauty Planet digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Crest Cavity and Tartar toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Beneful grain-free dry dog food for $5.95. We're going to use that 2 off 1 Beneful dry dog food digital coupon. We're going to buy 3 bags of the K9 carryout snacks. They're $1 each. We're going to use the $1 off 3 K9 carryout digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 12-pack roll of Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper for $5. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Scott toilet paper digital coupon. And as always, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.95. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $15.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $10.45. And don't forget to scan your receipt to fetch rewards because Love Beauty Planet and Scott are participating brands of Fetch Rewards. Okay, moving right along. The next scenario, we're going to buy 2 of the Love Beauty Planet shampoo conditioners again, $5 each. We're going to use that 3 off 1 Love Beauty Planet digital coupon. Also use that $2.50 off 1 Love Beauty Planet digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the Crest Gum Detoxify toothpaste. They're $7, which is crazy, but we're going to use that $2 off 1 Crest Detoxify digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Crest Cavity and Tartar toothpaste for $2. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotions, 13.5 ounce for $3.65. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Nivea Lotion digital coupon, and we're going to pick up 1 bag of the Tide Simply Pods with Oxy for $2.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Tide Pods digital coupon, and of course we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.60. We're going to enter our telephone number at the keypad. $17.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.10. But then you're going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because Love Beauty Planet is a participating brand of Fetch Rewards. And you're also going to scan your receipt to IBOTTA because there is a $3 rebate on the Crest Detoxifying Gum Toothpaste. So after coupons and rebates, the entire scenario you will pay less than $5 for. So those are all the scenarios I have for you this week. If you have a good scenario that you're planning on doing, go ahead and share it in the comments and maybe somebody else can do your scenario. I am hoping to have my video up on Monday for CVS, but again, I think Monday is our actual move-in date, and we're trying to get moved in because Thanksgiving is on Thursday, and I have my mom coming in this Sunday, so she'll actually be here during the move and all the craziness. So I'm really hoping to have that video up Monday for CVS. Every Wednesday from now until Christmas, I'll be posting a couponer's gifting idea video. I am doing a collab with Gina Schweppe, Ohio Valley Couponer, Shop with Sarah, and Savvy Saver Diva. So basically starting this Sunday all the way through Christmas, on Sundays Gina is going to post a gift idea video. On Mondays, Sarah will be posting her video. On Tuesdays, it's going to be Savvy Saver Diva posting her videos. Then I'll do Wednesdays, and then Ohio Valley Couponer is going to be doing his videos on Thursday. His name's Nick. And then Fridays and Saturdays are going to be guest spots where I think they have the amazing Teppy, Courtney and Carly, Chris the Maximizer, and maybe some others doing videos on those days. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. Also, starting December 1st, we're going to be doing Vlogmas on this channel, so you're going to get to see a little bit of the craziness in my life. Plus, we're still going to have our regular couponing videos. So in December, you're probably going to be tired of seeing me since I'll be posting a vlog every day. Plus, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, I'll be posting extra videos. So on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'll be posting 2 videos that day. To be honest, I don't really know how Vlogmas is going to go because we're not that interesting of a family, but It's only 25 days worth of it, and then after that, if you never want to see me again, I completely understand. And through the entire time of Vlogmas, you're going to get to see my mama because she will be here Sunday, and she's staying till I think the day before New Year's Eve, but I could be wrong. And on top of all of that, I am committing to 2 lives in the month of December. I haven't put them on the schedule yet, so I'm not exactly sure when, but I'll give you a little advance notice on that. So December is going to definitely be fun, but super busy, and I'm probably going to be exhausted after it's all over with. So with all that being said, if you're not yet subscribed yet, you should go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn the notifications to all so you get a notification every time I post a video. If you haven't liked this video, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Also, as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm going to go ahead and get off here and get back to packing up some more stuff. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.